renewables are the most competitive, secure, and rapidly deployable source of electricity for both developing and developed economies. But for Spain and other early adopters, this is particularly true if we were to take full advantage of the wind repowering opportunity, the lowest hanging fruit in the decarbonization of our power matrix, enhancement of our energy security, and reduction of our electricity costs. By replacing aging turbines with fewer, larger, more modern units installed in optimal sites, with reduced environmental footprint, minimal grid investment, and low social opposition, we can potentially double or even triple install capacity in record time.